is where we're gonna stay overnight. We are at Eagle Village. And the kids, they're very excited about this house, about this place. So noisy, but we are very impressed that we got the lake view, because look at that. Look at that view. Oh, this is just perfect for a weekend getaway. So our view is by the water. So this is kind of an old chalet. It's not well maintained. I think it used to be very nice once upon a time, but not anymore. It's kind of old and creaky, but the view is spectacular. But the view is really beautiful here. So look at that. It's raining right now, and it's cold here in the Poconos because we're in the mountains. But yeah, so like you can see the chairs, they're kind of old, and the deck, it's not well maintained like that. But yeah, the back view is, I like it. And other chalets are there. And yeah. Look at, and this is so old, like, it's so hard to open this.
How did you get this to work, or you didn't?
I didn't. It just worked by its own. And of course, the inside of the place. The kids are watching TV. I think this is gonna be their favorite time. Look, because we don't have TV at home, that's why. And they have their little kitchen here. Microwave, they have blender, their stove, coffee maker, and then toaster. And maybe they have utensils, yeah? They have cups, plates, and probably utensils are somewhere here. So, there you go. Yeah. And we have our little table. Perfect. Okay. So they have fireplace, which we're not gonna be using it. Oh, and look, they have a dryer and washer.
Stuff here.
Yes, go. Wow, very nice. Wow, it's like an attic. Yeah. Oh, very nice. And here you go. Hi, kids. And this is your bedroom. Aww. Look, this is where Summer and Caleb's gonna sleep. And you have a TV. You're gonna sleep upstairs.
Is it downstairs?
Huh?
Is it downstairs?
Here, there's bathroom here too. Yeah. And so this is our bedroom. Nice, nice bedroom. And there's another bathroom. And this one is a jacuzzi. Oh my goodness. So let's try to figure out Wi-Fi connection. What else? And then we have wristbands if you want to use the What's that? Recreation center.
I want wristbands.
Tip for the maid.
Where are my wristbands?
No.
Where are wristbands?
Look at the view. Good morning view. Let's see. Open this too. Here you go. Good morning. It's our day 2 here. Yeah, we couldn't get comfortable last night because it's not our bed and the pillows are not like comfortable. But we survived. So here it's a beautiful morning. It's sunny, but it's cold. So let's check what the kids are doing.
I didn't cry.
You did good.
I didn't cry, Mama.
Morning. What did you say? What did you say? Oh. So we're gonna make breakfast for them. Caleb, what's the good news? Come.
Sissy hugged me all day.
Huh?
And I didn't cry, Tana. No,
You did cry. Sure.
Nope.
Good job. Good news. It's a very good news. Praise the Lord.
Don't say praise the Lord.
You like it, Sissy?
I don't see any deers. I saw one of those teeny mom baby birds would have red stuff on their head.
Oh, cardinals.
How are those? And why?
B. Y is B is that.
You can't really
So our cinnamon roll is ready. Can do that. Okay, be careful. This is hot. Okay. Yeah. You scoop it.
And then I want to put it on a faucet.
Hold the cinnamon. Hold the cinnamon bun.
I'm not.
Look what Sis is doing. And the biggest one is Clyde. Sis Clyde eats a lot.
There.
Okay, put it on your
Gonna
plate.
get
Where's your
sticky.
plate?
Okay.
Okay.
I think your one is that.
Come on, sit down and we're gonna eat. We're gonna pray. You go sit. What do you have, boy? Did you eat your apple?
Not yet.
How about your yogurt? Shall I open it? Yummy. Huh? Your brother.